Hi, I'm Jamie from Studio Zao. Now, first of all, thank you for coming with us on this Intrapreneurship Challenge journey. We want to share our methods because we believe in entrepreneurship. We believe that internal innovation can empower individuals, drive growth for organizations, and create better solutions for society. Now, to quickly recap, this program is a simple, free, and light touch series of 6 entrepreneurship innovation lessons and challenges for those of you who are looking for practical tips, tools, and a pathway for getting started. It's both for people leading innovation and doing innovation, and it will provoke and support you along your innovation journey. Our first lesson and challenge focuses on the level of alignment amongst leaders in the organization. Now, it's important to know this because when leaders are aligned about the purpose and importance of innovation and how it contributes towards the strategic goals of the organization, they will be way more open to clearing a pathway and protecting and supporting new ideas, as well as internal innovators or entrepreneurs. Now, buy-in from the top comes from clarity on how innovation is clearly driving the strategic outcomes that the business needs. To assess alignment and identify which of your innovation objectives is most suited to entrepreneurship, there are 2 factors I want to talk about. The first one is alignment itself. What proportion of your organization's leaders agree on the importance of the innovation objective? The second one is how ambiguous the solution space is, i.e., how well known and clear is the solution or roadmap to achieve this innovation objective? Is there a pretty clear, although still assumed, solution? And is it just a matter of doing it? Or is it still quite unclear, undecided, and needs ideating and agreement? Innovation objectives with high alignment and high solution ambiguity tend to suit entrepreneurs quite well, and your job as someone who leads innovation should be to guide and enable and empower entrepreneurs. For this lesson's challenge task, use the template to help you. Now start by identifying 3 innovation objectives. You could do more, but maybe try not go beyond 6. You could think about holistic missions, such as be more sustainable, or objectives about new opportunities, such as aiming to exploit a particular emerging technology or market segment, or incremental goals, like improving a perceived weakness in your proposition, or even in an efficiency in your delivery model or service model. Once you've identified some objectives, map them out on the matrix. On one axis, consider how aligned your organization's leadership really are around the importance and urgency of each of your objectives. And on the other axis, consider the degree of ambiguity about how to achieve that objective. Use the statements on either side of each axis to judge their position. Now remember, this isn't an exact science. The value comes from the introspection and the reflection as you do this. Think about and take note of your reasons for positioning each objective. And after that, look at the matrix and try and see, is there a pattern? Are the objectives clustered in a particular quadrant or spread out across all of them? Ideally, you want to see your objectives in the top half of the matrix, meaning there is good level of alignment. But pay special attention to the objectives in the top right quadrant. Now, the last step is to plan an activity to increase alignment. So look at one of your objectives in the bottom lower half of the matrix and write down a couple of reasons or the stakeholders that may be limiting the alignment there, and plan an activity that you can do to improve it. Now, this could be as simple as just having a coffee with someone specific, maybe a specific leader, to hear their point of view and try to influence their thinking. Or it could be something more formal, like organizing and running a workshop. Either way, best of luck, and we hope that this simple but reflective challenge helps you to better understand some of the success factors for alignment and entrepreneurship in your organization.